inaugural meeting of the Security Committee established for the forthcoming National Convention of our great party, the All Progressive Congress. Let me begin by expressing my deep appreciation to the leadership of the party for the confidence reposed in us through our appointment to serve on this very important committee. The responsibility before us is both significant and strategic. The National Convention is one of the most critical events in the life of any political party. It is the platform through which the party renews its leadership structures, consolidates internal democracy, and reinforces its vision for national development. For a party of this nature and national reach of the All Progressive Congress, our National Convention will attract thousands of delegates, party leaders, government officials, and observers from across the country and beyond. Such a gathering, while celebratory, also presents complex security considerations that must be carefully anticipated and professionally managed. It is therefore imperative that the convention's security architecture be robust, coordinated, and proactive. The establishment of this committee underscores the party's commitment to ensuring that the convention is conducted in a secure, orderly, and peaceful environment. Our task is to develop and coordinate a comprehensive security framework that will guarantee the safety of delegates, party leaders, invited dignitaries, media representatives, and all other participants throughout the duration of the convention. Distinguished colleagues, the expectations placed on this committee are very clear. We are required to conduct a thorough assessment of potential risks and vulnerabilities, design an integrated security plan, and ensure that all operational arrangements are effectively synchronized among the relevant agencies and stakeholders. Our approach must be preventive rather than reactive, ensuring that the potential threats are identified and mitigated well in advance. Equally important is the need for effective coordination. The success of our assignment will depend largely on our ability to work closely with the various security agencies, intelligence, and law enforcement agencies responsible for maintaining law and order during the convention. Each agency brings unique capabilities, experience, and resources to the table. Our responsibility as a committee is to ensure that these capabilities are properly harmonized within a unified operational framework. In carrying out our duties, professionalism, discipline, and mutual respect must guide our engagement with one another and with the institutions we will be working with. The convention must reflect the highest standard of organization and security befitting a ruling party and a responsible national political institution. I therefore urge every member of this committee to approach this assignment with the seriousness and dedication it deserves. We must be proactive, meticulous, and collaborative in our planning and execution. The safety of participants and the integrity of the convention depend on the quality of the work we undertake here. Let me also emphasize that time is of the essence. Our deliberations must be focused and our decisions timely so that all operational preparations can commence without delay. I am confident that with the wealth of experience represented in this committee, we will deliver a security framework that ensures a smooth and successful convention. Distinguished members, I thank you once again for accepting to serve on this important committee. I look forward to our collective contributions and to a productive engagement as we commence the work ahead of us. On this note, it is my honor and privilege to formally declare this inaugural meeting of the APC National Convention Security Committee open. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. May I very respectfully thank you very much.